Hi everyone, I am Gerald Q. Javier from BIS IT3E and I'm excited to share with you the vision, mission, and core values of our university, as well as some key takeaways from my Net 101. Vision: a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress through the broad local and global communities. Vision. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible UEPians through innovation, industry, focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture and defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellent, passion. The name of my instructor is Sir Philip Michael Awanan in Networking 101. I learned about network of topologies, bus, star, ring, mesh, the OSI model, IP addressing, and subnetting, routing, protocols, and network security fundamentals like firewalls and VPNs. These concepts are crucial for understanding network performance, troubleshooting, management, and security.